this was the cabinet and bookshelf which I've upcycled with my daughter a few months ago, and if you're interested on how easy it is to make it, please check my description box. I will put the link in there, and as well as I'll put the link somewhere here in the screen as well, so please have a look at that. It's pretty easy to do. It's just an easy way to upcycle your furniture instead of throwing it out to save you money. So this one here, I don't know if you can notice, this is my background where I normally do my succulent arrangements or my videos. So there were some indoor plants before here, but I tend to be moving it constantly because it does need some light. So what I've done now is I've selected some plants, such as I've made an arrangement. I'll show you in a bit. This one here, bromeliads, they can take shady area, and as well as these succulents over here. There. If they do grow leggy, it's okay because they still look good. So I'll show you what simple plants can add to your background.